Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everybody. Sherblam. Hello. Actually, since I'm early, Light's actually here. So he can join us. Hi, pup. Congratulations getting here first. Hi, Cozy. How are you? I hope your Sunday's still going well and chill and all the things. What is this half-ass quote? You're ridiculous. It was probably from Pinhead. But I do love that it says February, comma, nothing. That is funny. Yep, pup, my leggings are too big for my legs. You have not known discomfort until your skinny leggings are too loose around your ankles. No! I bet that feels very weird and uncomfortable in a very sensory way. He decides to ball up in such strange places with this camera. And it makes the camera do weird gymnastics. But also, I forgot to fix his, what do you call it? White balance. His New Balance shoes. I hate this camera in the way that I have to reset, or I have to set his camera settings each time. At least I don't have to do that for my own beautiful camera. Ooh, ee. We're back playing DBD. I know you're all shocked. The event is still going on, and we have blood points to earn, ladies.
Ladies!
Hi, MB.
Ladies!
Thank you so much for the good luck. I hope you're doing well and having a lovely Sunday. Oh, I see. You're prepping some food. Yes, yes, yes. Do you do food prep for the whole week? I was going to write notes, but I super don't feel like it. I don't feel like that either, so why should you do it? Hi, Des. How are you? Oh, Jesus! I forgot about that. Do I get points for setting this? But happy Sunday, everybody. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I feel as though she's coming back. Oh my god, I feel like she hadn't seen me. Oh my god, I did it! Oh. Slurp. Ouch! She hit my invisible love handles. No, I can't do it, no. Oh my god, what? Ah! No! Oh, that was so close. This is crazy. I'm sorry. Fine. She doesn't want me to just give it to her. But she knows that palette shenanigans was bullshit. I don't know, but we kind of just like agreed it was a stalemate, right? Hi, Unicorn. How are you? I hope you're doing well on this DBD Sunday. There's exciting developments happening in this first game. This is my first game. Things are already bonkers. I'm already best friends with a Fang, and I am frenemies with a Huntress. I don't know. Where'd she go? Oh. Ma'am. Fine, you go to that gate. I'll go to this gate. What? Okay. I don't know. Does she want my booty or not? I'm in my glorious blood outfit. I love the inching forward. Ooh! It didn't let me put down the thing. Oh, well, I don't know any of these other people, so I don't think they're gonna come. Ooh, wink.
Ladies.
Hi, Jay. Oh my god! Oh my god. Get with the program, Kate. Oh my god. This is so funny. No! Me and Huntress have an agreement. I don't know what's happening. But hi, Jay. I hope you're having a lovely Sunday. This was an incredible first game. I don't understand half the things that happened. And then Mr. Light is facing away from us because I guess we have shamed him. Camera was from where I'm sitting. I could see what I see. Even though I see a precious little boy. He's a good boy. And he hates the snow. I don't think he likes his feet being cold or wet, which I'm like, who could blame you? He just loves me so much. If he could sit in my lap during stream, I bet he would. Every time you look at him, his tail goes wagging. Aww. I'm so glad y'all can see him and that he has his own camera. That's all thanks to my friend Zach. I just accidentally found Ghostface. Oops. They are in the Ghostface outfit I like. And I revealed him, right? And I didn't even have to take the heat for it. Sorry, David. And sorry, Ghostface. Hi, Ghostface again. That's the second time he's ignored me for being the person who unveiled him. Unveiled. Like it's a gender reveal party. Me and Sable are killing it. Hatch is right. Bye, I suppose. No! do it. I'm so sorry, David. Where's the other door? Oh, I see. Oh, he's going to the door that's open, so we have time. Oh, I see him.
The twists, you don't see them coming. You don't see the titties coming. You don't see any of it.
I can't. I was like, ooh, I'll be the lookout. And I was. And then I died. Because I was too far. Goodbye. I'm sad it didn't give me my unhook attempts. What was that about? To see when this happens. I think you're right. Are you ready for this? Yeah, just already knows. He is so funny. Pillow so that you have to. Haha, I tricked you. Hi. Oh, like that pink hair, but maybe a little longer. I would love that for Sable. Oh, it's Bird Lady. What a shitty map for her to get. And the router and all that. And I still have, like, internet hiccups. Did we finish all the gens up here? Wow. I think the game just got a lot more even for the Bird Lady. What? Who? Who's chasing? She nodded at her. Why? There's a hook right here, ma'am. That's what I get for helping the killer. Leave me alone. Sierra, my TV is only like 8 feet from the Wi-Fi, but everything interferes with it? Oh no. Goofball. I mean, she was taking them so far, and the hook was right there. You try to be nice to somebody who can manifest ink birds, and this is how she pays you back. She will like never go and get rid of it. And I'm gonna try, girl. Oh, but I can't. I'm sorry, girl. She was so much closer than I thought. It would have been a lot better if I was not injured, but alas. Well, you know those applesauce pouches? They're so good. You like suck on them? Just like the event. Wow, I started in my fancy abode. Ooh, look how fancy. See, I'll put one right at the bottom of the vault. Draco, what outfit is this? This is, well, it's like, I don't know what you call it. I feel like people call it the lettuce hag, And it comes in 2 colors, I'm pretty sure. And I have the blue hat, the blue lettuce outfit. And then my claw, my weapon is the candy weapon from Halloween. But remind me after this game, I'll look at it. I think it has to do with flowers. Trap, trap, trap. Wow, what, Draco? What happened? Or are you saying wow about surprise! I hope that scared the shit out of him. I'm a-coming. What? Okay. Who is on last gen? They don't have a calamari dinner. That's disappointing. What? Is it Nia who's on second? Well, we're back to Nia. I didn't know Nia was dead. These people weren't supposed to die. They were just supposed to be maimed horribly. Then who's not on deck? Oh my goodness, $32 for a calamari dinner at the new Greek restaurant in town? Yeah, that is a bit pricey, my friend. I see, it was her. She was the drama. And Yui had adrenaline. Do 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 do. Where are you? Smith. Oh my goodness, this place sounds pricey in general. I'll never see that. And they'll never see this. Haha, they'll be so scared. Okay, we're not going for kills, we're just going for blood points. And maybe to spook some bitches, because we love spooking bitches. Oh, I was scared it wouldn't let me do it. And I set the headphones to be able to be crowdfunded because they're kind of expensive. What? Got it. That was pretty good. That was a good chase. She did good. I did good. I exploded a pallet. She threw a pallet. Looks like we're sisters. We're bonded, Meg. Cute. Oh, I love that he uses both his fists. I love it. Let's do it here too. Rawr! So grumpy. Portal here. And we'll go over here. I'll be undetectable for a short minute. What? I missed! I can't believe that. I'm so disappointed in myself. I had set up the perfect jump scare just for Bill to get away with everything. Oh. That's one stack. Oh. I was wondering if he would just run through the house. And he did. Oh, that was so good. Excellent. Thank you, Yup Pup. I'm glad you got to see that.
Princess Dusty. Ladies.
Zach is here. Ladies. Zach, I hope you're doing well. Bill, who have been... Yay, we got it. And I'm using my power because he's the obsession. Because I have an object of the obsession. Okay, that's one hook for him. That's Jakey Poo. Now we're looking for the psychotic 8-ball. Wonder where she is. Morgan smash. Morgan smash. Is that scratch marks over there? Oh no. Wow, I got gooped. Demogorgon smash. Demogorgon smash. We found the Nia! Oh, I hope that scared the shit out of them. Where did she go? She was there! I was like, is it just a totem? Yay, okay, everybody's been hooked once. Smith. Rawr. Grumpy. I'm like faster than him. My face! No! We definitely weren't walking next to each other completely. Can I snipe him? Oh, so close. When you try to be a sniping Demogorgon. Close. No cigar. Power struggle? Huh? No power struggle? I always want to give him a chance. At what point do you think she noticed? Did that take away one of my stacks? It does! When did they change Demogorgon? Yeah. Are they getting rid of my thing? No. Mine. Well, I think he's learned his lesson. Hello? My cabbages! We're on the swamp. Swamp, swamp. Of course, I don't have anybody's. I don't have any item. It's Huntress! Wow, not the balanced landing into the basement. Yay, got my challenge done. Beep beep. I wonder if she's got barbecue. Barbecue and Chilean miners. At least I still hit her. I need to get to the hill. Haha! Yes, I dodged it! If I didn't have the speed boost, that would have been so fucked. No! Ah! Yes! I dodged it! Can we do it? Oh my god, I can't believe that! Ah! Damn it! That was a really fun chase at the shock. Not the basement. Oh, not that. It takes a lot of brain power to like manage the game to such a degree where you're like, oh, I know which gens I want to protect. I know which gens are being done. I know where most of the survivors are. If these ones are over here, it's like it's too much. Envy, you were so nice too. Most people trash talk the whole time. You felt bad for me, not that. No. Well, I hope you also saw that I had fun. It is true that a lot of people have a negative attitude when they encounter killers that are a little newer. There's a lot of people who are just negative about this game in general, and it's like, why are you hate playing this game? I love this game. I love that I get to be Mummy Dwight in the middle of a Bloodpoint event. Oh, it's Trickster. Yeah, you noticed that. Good thing I'm not on a medium that's being recorded or anything either, so that I can plead the fifth. I don't know what you're talking about. I already forgot. Oh, he's got the ricochets. Here's a blood basin. Do you play other Switch games? Do you play Pokemon Unite? Do you play, what else do I play? Animal Crossing. I got into Animal Crossing recently. I know I can finish this heal. I know it. I know it. Oh, I couldn't do it. No. Oh my god, it's the main event, bitch! Ah! This is the main event. Do-ba-dee-dee-doo. That didn't last very long. Ouch! He was ricocheting me. That was pretty good. Where did he go? He just left me? He was about to get my ass. I feel so bad. Uh-oh. Oh, Jesus! The knives, they're spewing from him. Envy, the weird dichotomy of playing DBD and then de-stressing with a child's game. Hey, no judgment. No judgmento. People play Animal Crossing to calm down and chill and wind down from the day. People, what is it? Play Pokemon to wind down from the day. People play Fortnite to wind down from a day. And some people think Fortnite is literally for babies. Ouch! 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 Did you see me? I was dodging them. I was doing the Matrix. I was like, phew, 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 phew. It was great. I'll recover over here to get the blood bonus. A lot of people watch children's shows, especially animated ones. Nice, Sable. Real nice. Baldur's Gate is their new relax, go to sleep game? Now that's interesting. But I guess I could see it. If I'm not in a battle, the game is pretty chill. Yup, up, I love that emote. Clown Pog. Nicki Minaj. I keep saying Nicki Ninja. But thank you, GG's to you as well. This trickster wasn't messing around. Yes, I did it! I did it! But GG's, well played. I hope you got a lot of blood points from that game.
The twists, you don't see them coming. You don't see the titties coming. You don't see any of it.
Jesus Christ. Thank you, Yup. Thank you for the 50 biddies and the sound. Scared the shit out of me. I love everyone. They're all so happy. Or like we all had such a fun game. And hell yeah, it's Mr. Light. I mean, he doesn't want to sit in a way that is good for the camera.
Marshmallow in the house. Now put a burger in my mouth.
Oh, hey, Marshmallow.
Back. Let's see if we can do this before the game starts. Oh, I'm I'm still on that screen. Hello. So when you redeem, oh, Pirate God, thank you for the follow. I hope you're doing well. Are you in the game we're about to play? Oh yeah, this is what happens when you redeem Light. I bring him up onto my lap. We have the treats. Ah, thank you so much for the 100 biddies, yup, pup. Oh, I dropped it. I never drop it. I am, and thank you for all those motherfucking water redemptions, yup, pup. One of these days that's going to be classified as terrorism, but until that day, I will drink your goddamn waters. Thank you, Light, for participating in that. I hope it wasn't too terrible, too awful. Okay. I will drink the waters after this game. And yeah, Yupup's calling card is literally drink redemptions. Run! I didn't fool him at all. I mean, I kind of did. At least he checked that one locker and not the other one. Sneaky legend. Ah! Ouch! That's not where I wanted you to place that tentacle. Hello. Ah! I'm sorry for screaming. How did I not get hit? Oh, I can't believe that. How did I not get hit? Ah! Okay, well, there we go. There's the hit. Give me the hits, baby. Oh my god. I'm so sorry for screaming. That was wild. I was being chased by Nemesis, and he was putting me through a window, and I was like, haha, I'm gonna fast vault this, and it's gonna be way out of your reach. It's great. Balanced landing is back. Woohoo! And I fast vaulted through the window right into the female presenting zombies salad. Oh, I haven't been hooked yet. Gosh darn it! I thought I would be faster than that, even with a slow vault. I really thought. Girl, we gotta run. But I do, it's like I have a love-hate relationship with the zombies. I love them. I love that they're in the game. I love that Nemesis got them. I think they're cute in some capacities. I love when they fall from a second story and they fall into a pile. I love it. But when it comes to the gameplay, oh my god, it's so frustrating. Oh my god! Speak of the motherfucking zombie devil. I wear my badge with pride. Oh, not the head-on. They're head-oning him a lot. I will be the representation of balance. Why was it running so fast? Oh my god. should just give up. I think this game is over for me. I know I haven't been hooked yet, but I think I'm done. I need some water. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe what happened. We were just talking about zombies being in these fucking inconvenient places. It was literally a zombie gangbang. It really was. Tyranno, LOL, how dare you come out of the woodwork just to laugh at me. Oh, he didn't even hear me coughing. I love Balanced Landing. It's something that is... It's pretty situational, but you can have a pretty good control over it. You just have to kind of be aware of any kind of elevated place. And I'm sorry. Oh, we got this. We got this, girl. I didn't mean to stand there and judge you. I'm sorry. I was trying to stand there and be like, that was bullshit. It should have touched me. He went through the window. Aw, poor guy. This fucking zombie. Stay away from me. He's so fast. What are these zombies doing? But also the way I just balance landed him. These freaking zombies. That zombie, when it ran right at me, why did it do that? What add-on of Doom does he have? Is it like after a gen is finished, the zombies increase their speed by 50% or some shit? Like, I'm back. I'm so silly. Thank you. Good boy. Ugh. I am crying. Oh, Pirate God, you're Sable! The way I could have looked at that 700 years ago. I wish they weren't quite so hard to find, even though they're like, they're in totem spots. I'm like, yeah, okay. Envy, Balanced Landing coming in clutch immediately after I talk crap. I mean, that's me and my Balanced Landing. She's my best friend.
Ladies.
Sierra, thank you so much for the lurk refresh. I hope you're having a wonderful evening. Do you see this zombie chasing her ass? Do you see her? Oh no, now it's got its sight on me. I thought that was close enough. Oh my god, it's running again. What is this perk? Or what is this add-on he has? I need to read everything. Ooh, but there is a totem. Sophia, you have not played any? Well, I hope that has brought you much mental peace. Lord knows this game can be very stressful. I just want to be able to get her off the hook, wherever that might be. You'll never find it again. I mean, I was gonna let her die. Oh, that was almost such a good... What is it? Is this zombie telling on me? Get out of my face, zombie. Let's do it! We're here to save the day. Yes, pirate! You and me, we're the team saving the day. Bum ba da bum 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 bum. No! No, pirate, no! I'm so sorry. Bye, Claudette. I hope you don't die. Oh my god, that game was wild. Twists, turns, and other things that I didn't expect. I'll do self-care combined with reactive healing, which is, I think it's an underrated perk. Sophia, I'm having a nice Sunday, but man, tomorrow's another work day. I know. Why does Monday have to actually, like, get out of bed? None of us want you Monday. I'm sorry I said it. You're running Quick and Quiet, Stakeout, Balanced, and Kindred. Yes, and Quick and Quiet is the one that's not usually there. And Stakeout is because I like the great skill checks for the points for this event. But I'll always bring Kindred. And if I bring a exhaustion perk, I'll bring Balanced. And then the other two perks kind of mix and match. Sophia, no, because why does my weekend go by so fast? I understand. I wish I could give you an extra day, but alas, I'm nobody. Ooh, it's Dredgy Boy. I have no power here. I can't create days. Although, I can pressure you to call out of work. But, Sophia, you're feeling so sick. I hope you call into work tomorrow because you are so sick. Leave me alone! Ah! Yes, balanced landing, ladies. What happened just now? You like that plan, Sophia? It'll be paid boredom then. Yay for paid boredom. That's better than underpaid excessive work. Is he coming this way? I really like this Dredge's skin. I think it's from Halloween. I don't know if I have it. Sophia, does your boss not being at work for the week make the week less stressful overall? Like, you don't have to be as, like, on guard? I don't know. Maybe having the boss there makes things stressful. It's like Miranda Priestley coming in the office. Guard your loins. What? Oh my god, this is terrible! No! The Dredge has the iridescent perk. Add-on. The iridescent add-on is what this boy has. So I got exposed. Lame. Sophia, normally my boss fills in for me when I'm out, so I'd feel bad. Oh, that's like a double whammy that you can't not go. Aww. Bitch brought the Sable Basement Unhooking perk. She's a wicked bitch. Oops. I can't believe that. That's amazing. Draco, God, my poor tongue. The chorizo sausage I cooked for dinner was spicier than usual. Oh no. Is it really bad? Like your tongue is numb? Or is it just like you're getting a little sweaty, your nose is runny, and maybe your eyes are a little watery? You had to drown the sausages in ketchup. Nah. I hope that didn't ruin the sausages for you. And I hope it helped, my goodness. But that's really funny. Ketchup. You know what I want is some Polish sausage. That with ketchup and then maybe some zucchini. Now I'm getting hungry. Excited to see me play killer? Yay! I struggle at being modest about Nurse. Nurse is very difficult, and I've played her for a very long time. That doesn't mean I'm like amazing, perfect at her, but she's my girl. I have a sound command for her.
Nurse!
Ignore that toxic one.
Nurse!
There we go. Thought I heard a crow. Where are they? Oh. I thought he would run to the pallet. Come back. Baby, come back. Well, that worked. His name is basically that he's gay. Oh, he almost ran right into my knife. The disrespect. There we go. But yeah, his name is basically I'm gay, but he chose to be wordy about it. It's male who loves males.
Show me the gay.
Where do we think that person is? Found them, and they were exactly where I thought they were. What? I don't even know if he had lithe or not. That was just bananas. Red Hood? Come back. Yay! That was pretty good. Oh, I forgot they were all TTVs. Dino Nuggies! I feel like we played against them earlier or something. Oh, I found them. Don't even need a perk. I wanted them to get the save. It sucks when you can't get the save like that. It's been forever since you've... What? Since you've been gone. I need to find the... Well, that rock was too thick. I can't believe he didn't take that opportunity to run. Yeah. I want to find Renato. I don't know where he is. That rock was thick as fuck. Thicker than this ass. I saw her barely. I decided to try it. But my goodness, these rocks are thick. Like they are struggles for the blinks. Short blinks, I guess. We did it! That was such a good second blink. That was good. I was really excited to get that second blink. Are they healing? Are there two people in here? What? Jake, I don't even want you. Oh wait, I have hooked Renato, isn't that right? I've also noticed bugs where if Nurse gets stunned by a pallet. We got the grab! Okay. This game is going well in certain ways. That was so good. I'm even impressed with myself. Oh, did you know Nurse can go through this exit gate? Well, not just this one. Just exit gates in general. Come back here, dinosaur. Where'd you go? Ah! Scared me. Survivor jump scare. I just want to be friends. Ah! The disrespect, but also, did you see how it skipped my stun? Ooh! I didn't hold the blink for long enough. Okay, don't worry, Dino Nuggies. I'm taking you to the exit gate. I just wanted to give you a little kiss. Wow, they left you. The gay was like a Michaela. They don't have a dick to suck.
Gay?
Gay.
Is that the hatch open? Oh, I thought I heard the hatch. Love you all. I hope that was a fun game for them. I didn't until I opened a gate once and she was waiting for my ass. I love when they do that with the Insidious. That was a good game. That was fun. It was challenging but not challenging so much that it was like impossible. Red Hood, GG's. GG's, man, you great nurse. Thank you so much. I hope y'all had a fun game. I am just here for the blood points, so I was just trying to get y'all on Death Hook. That was my goal. But GG's, well played. I hope y'all have a good rest of your games tonight. And yes, I do own Doctor. Do I like to play Doctor? These are different questions. I just acquired Clown. Oh my god, Oni isn't level 3? Red Hood, I can't play Nurse. Nurse is hard. I was just telling Envy that I've played
Marshmallow
Nurse for
in
a
the
very
house.
long time.
Now put a burger in my mouth.
Oh, hey, Marshmallow.
Dino Nuggies, thank you so much for the follow. That's so kind of you. When I got into game, I realized that I had been against you before in some capacity. Maybe we were teammates, but I was like,
Marshmallow in the house. Now put a burger in my mouth.
Oh, hey, Marshmallow.
only dubs. Thank you. GG, last
Marshmallow
game I got
in
you
the
with a
house.
follow.
Now put a
Oh,
burger in my mouth.
Oh, hey, Marshmallow.
thank you. Y'all were great. I hope you had a good game that round. It was fun. I was just telling Red Hood I was only there for the blood points. So I was just trying to get y'all onto Death Hook. That was my goal. That's exactly why I didn't hook you, Dino. More points, escaping. You get 5,000 for escaping. I couldn't take that from you. I was just leveling up Oni, not playing Oni, I swear. Yeah, it was fair game. Very true. Very true. But it wasn't. It wasn't that necessary. But also, Dino Nuggies, I'm pretty sure we were either teammates sometime recently or you were in another one of my games. But it's so good to meet y'all. Thank you for coming in and saying GG's. I hope the game was fun for y'all. Do you like that map? With Nurse, it feels like it's a pretty big map. Oh, you're a 3-stack, so you weren't with the Renato? And I really like that Ace skin you had. It was a really good skin. Oh, so y'all play together a lot. Okay. That's cool. DBD is the size of a small kitchen table. I probably have come across you. Yeah. And your name is very... It makes me happy. So when I see your name, I'm gonna remember it. Is that a cat? No, it's my doggy. You have to show everyone.
Nurse!
Yeah, you're a little man. He's a pug. His name is Light, L-I-T-E, and he's my good boy. Dub's always sus, trust me. Ah! Dino, you play Doctor? We were just talking about Doctor and how I won't play him. Doctor's just not for me. I'm so bad at his timing. It's very difficult. And I respect people who play the Doctor. Oh, I see them. They're definitely not over here. Wait, why do I see his aura? Are you running Object of Obsession? Object of Toxicity? I mean... How dare you tell on your teammate like that? What? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Well, I guess now it's telling on. Okay. Nancy, you can't make it so obvious. You gotta be subtle. Skinny legend. Oh, I love it. You can try and force me. I can't believe he brought Object of Obsession. I can't. Yes! Got her! Yes, okay. Not the slurp. The slurp is so funny. You got my attention, David. You're wearing a shirt, though, so. Survivors that want to be chased? Exactly. If you watch me enough, you will see that I do not like survivors that click flashlights at me. That's mostly it. I guess if a survivor waves their hand at me, I also don't like that. It's like... Do you have a challenge? Don't mind Dubs. What? Do you need blinds? I will give you blinds if you need them. Oh, maybe they're doing the Champion of Light thing. Yes, you are my babies now. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Love you. Yum, yum, yum. She's just the one person I haven't hooked yet. I swear I'm not targeting you. Exactly. Oh my god, she didn't do anything wrong. Oh my god, y'all are ridiculous. That's really funny. I'm coming. What is this pointing? Survivors are so funny. Is Nancy on death hook? This is suspicious. Who do we believe? Stranger things have happened or Sexy David? But he's wearing a shirt. I can't decide. I can't believe you. You lied. I can't believe they lied. I should never believe men. Why didn't I believe women? Oh, this is what I get. Y'all just got pooped on? What killer were you against? And Dino, you're about to go live yourself? Love that. I hope both of y'all have nice streams. Oh, Envy, I didn't see that you loved the Shade Rattle when they went down. I love it. Oh, look. Bam. It's here. Suppose we pick this up. This dude can already teleport and leave traps. Why the hell does he need it? It's like, yeah. Maybe if they didn't have the power. Why did it just sound like somebody was opening a chest right next to my ear holes? But yeah, if he couldn't do that thing where he teleports like at traps and stuff, not traps. Yay! Teleport back to things at loops. That is what I'm trying to say. Oh, I love Megs with bat wings. Should I give it to her? Hiding behind the tree when you're completely injured is just so funny to me. What? Who put this here? Exactly, like, girl, we heard you a lot, actually. Now I'll get my revenge. The swarm! The swarm! Ah! I need to bring my, like, survivor off. My god. Oh, I was so close. Oh, that was wild. And they're all gone. Oh, I hear you. Do you think they're all following again? I wonder if Claudette's there. No, I refuse. I've been harassed and bullied enough for one day. Envy, OMG, I hate when a teammate can pallet save, but they choose to go with the damn flashlight. I know exactly what you mean. A lot of people will do a flashbang instead of a pallet too. I've seen that. But then, the feeling of a teammate not getting a pallet save because they threw it like so early is like one of the most painful experiences to feel as a survivor. Where's Claudette? I feel like I heard her for a second. Claudette, come back. There she is. Ooh, that like whipped me around. So painful. You're so calm. It is very freeing to not play. Ooh! What is that? Off the record or something? And she slurped me? Thank you. I will say, having y'all here makes playing killer much more enjoyable. And you're having fun. I usually want to throw my system across the room when I play killer, and I don't blame you. And sometimes, like, I'm not impervious to those kind of feelings. Like, I definitely have my bad games. There are times when the survivors are like, everything I do is like me walking right into their plans that they've been tracking me for years, it seems. What? Did you see that rob me of the grab? I tried so hard, but she's so slow. And then there's something about survivors swarming you that's like, okay, well, I guess they're not playing that seriously. And they go right back to working on the gen. That's really funny. Damn it! I can't believe I didn't go through. And I will say, they easily could have figured out what I'm doing, I guess. Like, they know I'm playing around. And then there's the possibility of them also being super sweaty. But on the other hand, I like to assume that survivors are also having just like a really good time. And they're like, as if I wasn't gonna see you. That is so funny. They didn't even get it. They didn't even get it. And then there's times when I'm like trying to stand still and the survivors still can't get the flashlight. Oh, it's too good. I have only learned these kind of things from being a streamer. Where there are sometimes I'll see a TTV and I'm like, okay, let me go see what it was like for them to flashlight me 700 times. And I go and watch their stream and they were like screaming and so terrified by my nurse play. And when they got the flashlight save, it was like the best day of their life. You tricked me! I thought that was a motherfucking deception, and you decepted me for real. You need to get her, Jade. Soundbite. You're so right. Get her. Oh, I have this one I just added from Bob.
Loop it!
Hello. Hi. I'm coming. I'm coming. Adrenaline! How did she get away with the bullshit? You want adrenaline in my face like that, even when you're healthy? Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh. Now I'm raging. I hate my life. Everything sucks. Let's see if I can beat her at the pass. Got her. I'm a-coming. Can you do it? GG's, y'all. Bye. Hooker ass, please. I hate it here. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Envy. The way that I'm always like, should I give them Hatch? And everyone in chat is like, kill them, please. I'm so sorry. Please don't unfollow me because I let people go. What's my build before I get into this? Buckle up. Am I toxic? Oh, I do really like We're Gonna Live Forever. I think that's a situational perk that comes in very handy when the situations do arise. Why do I have a toolbox? Well, this is my last game, so maybe that can be your excuse to go to bed right after this. Envy, it's a situational perk where there's a situation. Yep, that's how that works. When there's a situation. Well, there's some situations that call for the situational perk, okay? That's very, 50% of the time, it works every time. It's very that. It's the Oni. You're a fool! I can't believe she walked right into it. Oh, not the skill check happening at the same time. He's coming. Ah! Ah! He knows the secret. Ah! Oh my gosh, he is really committing to me. Damn it, I didn't fast fall. Why is he? Oh. I was like, why has he got no terror radius? Ah! He's a smart one. He's a smart cookie. A fast vault has been homophobic tonight. I go for a fast vault, it turns into a medium vault, and I say, a what? A what? Also, Ada, it would be nice if you could take a hook. hair radius. Also, ah! This is the way I was hoping he wasn't going. Something about Oni gives me like big buff daddy vibes. Where I'm like, oh yeah, break that door down. He could rip my head off if he wanted to, and something about that is really hot. Because what? No!
Gay?
Gay.
That's why. Oh my god, Envy. If I ever rant about something on DBD, it is not taking hooks gets your team killed. It is a team game. You have to take hooks, otherwise your team dies. I will die on that hook. On that hook. I will die on that hill. And then my other hot take is that bringing deception gets your... No. Bringing distortion gets your teammates killed. Because if the killer can't see your aura, they're seeing somebody else's aura. Okie dokie. Light. Oh my god, the way he flipped. Big boy jump. There we go. I love you. Yes, yes, you are very cute. And I do love you. Are we here? Sometimes my frames drop. Oh, Envy, that just reminded me. I was yesterday's days old when I realized that Dead Dog Saloon is spelled D-A-W-G, not D-O-G. You're a good boy. He's my good boy. Envy, thank you so much for hanging out tonight. It was really awesome getting to know you a little bit better. I had so much fun talking and just yeah, just talking. Talking and playing, such as streaming is. Thank you to everyone else hanging out, vibing, chilling on this Sunday. What is that side eye you were giving? Very fun. Feel free to follow any of my social media. My schedule is Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Maybe that'll go up someday. Maybe not. We'll see. Almost always at 8 p.m. So maybe I'll see you on Tuesday. But let's have a good start to our weeks. Right, Mr. Knight? Yeah. We're going to kick Monday's ass. Okay. Be kind to yourselves. I love you all. Thank you so much for being so supportive and for being my friends. I couldn't do this literally without any of you. So thank you. Now let's say good night. Good night, y'all. Have a good one. See you Tuesday.